So, you've decided to start coding, but every tutorial feels like it's either too fast, too boring, or straight up confusing. Don't worry, this video is your 0 to first line of code guide, and we're not gonna waste time. Everyone keeps shouting different advice. Learn Python. No, start with C++. HTML is not even programming. Let's break it down. Simple and clear. This is exactly how I teach my younger self if I had to start today. Firstly, stop trying to learn everything. You only need one goal right now. Write your first working program. Don't think about jobs, AI, salaries yet. You'll burn out before you even begin. Focus on curiosity over comparison. Start with Python. Why? Firstly, it's readable like English. It's used in AI, automation, web, and data. Plus, it has tons of beginner friendly resources. Don't touch JavaScript, C++, or Java until you've made at least 3 basic Python projects. You only need 3 tools to start: VS Code, Authority if you're a total beginner, Python installed, and Google plus ChatGPT as your best friends. And if you mess something up, well, that's literally part of the process. So calm down. Here's a simple project you can build today: a number guessing game in Python. In the next video, I'll walk you through every line of code. You'll literally go from zero clue to hey, this actually works. This is just the beginning. If you want a full beginner coding path with projects, mini challenges, and a real Discord community, subscribe, join our Discord server, and let's build together. Link to our Discord server is given in the description. See you there.